How to delete saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In today's video, we will understand how to delete saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. Deleting saved password in Firefox browser can be performed easily with a handful of steps that take a few minutes only. If you are ready, here is what you need to do. On your system, open Mozilla Firefox browser. At the top right corner, click on three lines. Then click on Settings. A new window will appear. At the left corner, click on Privacy and Security option. Scroll down under Password, click on Saved Passwords option. Now your all saved password appear here. To delete saved passwords in Firefox browser, select the website and click on Remove. A pop-up menu will appear again, click on Remove. This is how you can simply delete saved passwords on Mozilla Firefox browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.